What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have the MK5 GTI in the shop, and today I have a surprise for you guys. I'm going to be doing a crazy modification. So we have a carbon fiber steering wheel. We have a carbon fiber steering wheel for the Golf, and I know it's going to look amazing when we install this thing. So let's jump right into the video and let's get started. Let's not waste no time. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna stop because I have to put you guys literally back here so I could kind of record what's going on and how I'm gonna get to such and such. So let's jump right into just taking apart the panels. You have to take apart this top panel because you have to pop the airbag out to get the steering wheel off. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, what you want to do, I like to pop this panel up right here. I like to pop this panel up so you can see you can have a little bit more room when you're removing the airbag. So you have little clips that you just want to push down with a pry tool. So just push down and then you're able to get your airbag out. But my suggestion would be take your key out the ignition before you go ahead and remove your airbag, because you don't want this thing to explode in your face. Alright, so now do the, oh wow, you need the key in because the steering wheel is gonna lock, so you need the key in too. Alright, so do the other one. Remember guys, you have to push down to remove the airbag, and that's it. Airbag comes out just like that. Look guys, airbag is already out, so I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys back on the tripod real quick. Give me 1 second. All right, so go ahead and just start unclipping stuff. There's another clip right there. You just want to push down, remove that one, and then you have your airbag clip right here that you just want to just push in and release, and the airbag comes out right like that. And then here's the fun part guys, because here's the fun part. You want to make sure that your steering wheel is straight before you remove it. Well, I like to make sure my steering wheel is straight. So I like to leave my steering wheel like that before I remove it, so it's straight guys. That's it. Alright, so now you can literally go ahead and zap your steering wheel off. So now we could go ahead and literally remove the steering wheel. I'm going to use my Milwaukee ratchet, and this is the side that you need. You need a M12. If it focuses and you guys can see it, it's an M12 if you look at it. Well, it's not focusing, but that's the socket that you need, the size. See? Right there guys, M12. That's the size that you need. So then you go ahead, just put it right in, and then you can just remove your steering wheel. Comes out like that, comes right off. You grab your new steering wheel and set it on there just like that guys. It, and I know that's on all the way. So now you can just go ahead and clip everything back in. This one goes right here, this connector, small one, clip that one here, then go ahead and clip your airbag back in, and then that's it guys. Steering wheel is installed in less than 5 minutes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Drown me in your touch, let me show you devotion. Drown me in your touch, let me show you devotion. Let me light you up, I just wanna show